Hi guys, today we will talk about how to find all comments you have on your Reddit app. We will go to find this window on your Reddit. All you have to do, you just go up here on this picture, you will click, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just click here on my profile or your profile here, and it's going to take you to next window here like you say, or edit window. Then you just click here on comments here, and it's going to show for you like this window here, and in this window you can find all your comments you have on your Reddit app. So I don't have any comments yet before because my account is new account, but if you have, you will find it in this window, all your comments you have on your post in this window. So that's all you have to do to find this window. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.